So I'm going to show you the process of installation for Grohe mixture smart box for the shower area. So this is the box, you can see. It is a cover to it with all such instructions. You first need to unscrew this screws which is attached. There are valves, extra valves. So there are 4 points on this Grohe mixture. So if you are going to use 3, you should close 1. If you are going to use 2, you should close 2. So usually it's for hot and cold water. So if you have a shower, that's 1. If you have a hand shower, that's 2. Mixture, that's 1. So after removing the white inlet, you can this is the cover here. So this is how you remove the inlet. Sometimes it's hard, so you can force to remove it. This is the supply points. So if you don't need any more of them, then you can just take. There's some cover there, so you can just put it there, close the valve, so the supply doesn't and then close the valve from outside. Find some screws nuts there. Done, you have to insert this male sockets there on all of the valves for other fittings. The process goes on. This is the main thing. So after that, you know what to do. I'm showing all the videos to make it easier for you. Supply to supply hot water and cold water to give the supply to the mixture, so it transfers from there. So these two, the main hot water and cold water H and C, is connected to the main supply down, one from the heater and one from the main supply. So after joining this, the same will be done for the shower, for the hand shower, mixer, everything.